Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as the bell notification that's next to it, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now I know you guys can already tell by this title, this is going to be a hair slash makeup get ready with me. I realize you guys kind of like when I do these little makeup things. Now disclaimer, the way that I do my makeup and like the products that I use are kind of similar, and I have posted like, you know, makeup videos on my channel already, so the makeup part is going to be kind of like fast forward, so it's going to be more so for you guys to just watch me do my makeup. It's not going to really be like a thorough talk through thing. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to make sure I leave all the products in the description bar down below if you guys are interested in any of the products that I will be using for today's video. And again, now for the hair, I am going to do the hair first because I am going to straighten it. This hair is from the company Allove hair, and they have sent me a 24-inch, well, it's not 24 anymore because I did cut a few inches off of it. I cut a few inches off of it, but this is from Allove hair. And I think that I did do a video on how I installed this hair already, and I think it's already a one video or two video back, so I'll try to link it in the eye, or you guys can go back 2 videos to see how I installed this wig and everything, and how I gave it like a somewhat blunt cut to it. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go check out that video. But for this video, I'm basically just going to be showing you guys how I flat iron it and everything. Now, as you guys can see, I have already, you know, installed it. Now, this is a closure unit. And when I tell you guys, I really do love this closure because it was so thin. Like, I know you guys can see, like, it's like wet closure. Because the only thing that I did use to basically put my closure down is the Gots to Be hairspray, and it's been, you know, sticking on ever since. But I already have product in this hair, so I'm not gonna put any product in it. And the product that I use, it wasn't even heavy because I didn't want the hair to be too heavy and stuff like that. I want it to flow, and it was the BioSilk. I highly recommend everyone to actually use BioSilk, because I'm telling you, like, that thing, BioSilk will have your hair like flowy and still have it shiny and stuff like that. Not that this hair really needed it, because this hair was already like shining on its own. Like, I was getting compliments and stuff on this hair because I have been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks now. Yeah, I've been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks now. So, and I have been getting like compliments and stuff on this unit. All right, so I'm gonna part this down the middle, and I'm gonna do each part at a time. And this hair doesn't really need much manipulations, because it's, as you guys can see, like when I tell you, I haven't flat ironed this hair in God knows how long, and it still look good. It might be a little fluffy, and that's only because I did get caught in the rain with it. I got caught in the rain with it, so that's really the main reason why it's puffy like that. But like I said, I haven't done nothing to this hair, and it still looks perfectly healthy and everything. All right, y'all, so I basically just finished one side of my hair. It literally did not take long at all. It didn't take long at all, because like I said, it really, like I'm telling you, this wig, it doesn't require much work, and it's basically very like beginner friendly. Also, the closure makes it even more easier for, you know, people that aren't used to wearing laces yet and stuff like that, and even for people that aren't really used to flat ironing hair. As you guys can see, like, it still has its shine to it and everything. Like, this hair is silky as hell. Like, it's really silky. For all the things that I've been doing through it, like going to the gym and all that extra stuff, it's still like doing this thing. I haven't washed it, I haven't done none of that yet. And this is this side, not flat ironed yet, and this is the flat iron side. Now I'm gonna quickly just do this side off camera because flat ironing is very repetitive and I don't think you guys really want to sit here and watch me flat iron hair. So I'm gonna quickly do this off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys how my hair look after I'm finished flat ironing it. All right, y'all, so I basically just finished flat ironing my hair, and this is how it looks like. I kind of bumped the ends a little bit because I don't know, I thought it was really cute, but this is how the hair looks like. Now you guys know that it's the holidays and everything, so if you guys are here trying to, you know, look up to par for the holidays, and you know, and you want something that's affordable and can basically give you this look and for you to look bomb and everything, make sure you guys go check out Allove hair, and I'll leave all the description on this unit as well as their store website, so you guys can check out other things if you guys would like on their website. But all that information will be in the description bar down below for you guys, so make sure you guys go check that out. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna be having sales and stuff like that because the holidays is around the corner, so yeah, I better make sure y'all keep a lookout and stuff like that. But now I'm about to start on my makeup. I am gonna clip my hair back a little bit. Gonna clip my hair back so it can be easier for me to do my makeup. Like I said, my makeup is gonna be sped through because if you guys want a more detail, I do have one on my channel, so you guys can go check those ones out. As of this one, this is gonna be more so a look ordeal, you know, and I'll put some music in the background for y'all so y'all can, you know, listen to. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all the information about this hair, this unit, will be in the description bar down below. Thank you again, Allove Hair, for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did like this makeup look, or if you guys like me doing, like, you know, makeup stuff, make sure you guys leave that in the comments down below, as well as make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.